So, what is this life all about? You are born, rich or poor, or in between. You may have born into a family of faith and rich traditions or no traditions. You could be in a situation of constant disarray, very little true joy, or just the opposite, you can feel the excitement of what tomorrow will bring. We all enjoy life's pleasures and suffer through the heartaches. Medical, financial, and relationship issues enter every person's being. You see the beauty of nature with all of intricacies. Animals that can live in the harshest of surroundings due to its unique structure and the characteristics that enable that to happen. So what does it all mean? Are you on this earth for maybe 80 decades if you are fortunate, or you could pass on in childhood? How could all this make any sense at all? After death, are we just all forgotten except for maybe a century through the remembrance of relatives? It just doesn't make any sense. How could this very intricate creation have somehow been created by chance or otherwise, and then poof, all goes away in a lifetime? You disappear, forgotten, and poof you are in the ground. Or are you? This world, despite its beauty, is also violent. Dog eat dog. There are predators and prey. Violent death in the animal world we call nature. Death is all around us every day. Every creature seems to live so it can be food for another creature. How can we make any sense of it all? Well, perhaps you can live that way and are okay with it because there is no explanation from anyone. But wait, what if there was an explanation? An explanation that makes sense? What if there is eternity and it can be explained? Well, there is. The answer is God and Jesus Christ, who came to this earth to explain it all. He revealed his plan through the Jewish people. That's the way he chose to do it. Some say these are just stories, fables, that can't be proven. If you were brought up to believe this is the way it is, perhaps it is difficult for you to believe. But I assure you that those that do believe have an inner joy that transcends the heartaches we experience. When we live through the eyes of faith and eternity, it all makes sense. I look forward to today and also look forward to the day of my death. Why? Because then I will meet my God face to face. He will explain to me all I don't understand, and the Creator will give me everlasting joy. I hope you join with me as we seek truth. Subscribe to my channel at Village Vic. I will try to write some more songs that will reflect my life experiences and the faith I have seen in others that have helped them through all their life struggles, pain, and joy. Hope you join me. This is Village Vic.